Smart Habits presents. Here are 8 industries that make billionaires. Yes, you heard it right. Billionaire. Not millionaires, but billionaires. While becoming a billionaire is no easy task, these industries have produced some of the richest individuals in the world. These are the sectors that have the highest potential for wealth creation and innovation. If you want to learn how to become a billionaire, you might want to pay attention to these industries. Here are the industries that have produced the most billionaires in the world. Number 1. Technology. The first industry that makes billionaires is technology. It's no secret that the technology industry has created more billionaires than any other industry in recent years. This should come as no surprise, as technology is one of the most innovative and disruptive forces in the world today. Technology has transformed every aspect of our lives, from communication to entertainment to education to healthcare. And it has also created some of the most valuable and influential companies in the world, such as Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Facebook, and Tesla. Some of the most famous tech billionaires are Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, Larry Page, Sergey Brin, and Jack Dorsey. The technology industry is constantly evolving and creating new opportunities for entrepreneurs and innovators. Whether it's artificial intelligence, blockchain, biotechnology, or virtual reality, there is always something new and exciting happening in the tech world. And if you can create a product or service that solves a problem or meets a need for millions or billions of people, you can become a billionaire too. Number 2. Finance and investments. The second industry that makes billionaires is finance and investments. This industry covers everything from banking to asset management to hedge funds to private equity to venture capital. Finance and investments are all about making money work for you and generating returns on your capital. And if you're good at it, you can make a lot of money. The following are the most famous finance and investment billionaires: Warren Buffett, George Soros, Ray Dalio, Carl Icahn, Steve Cohen, and David Tepper. The finance and investment industry is highly competitive and risky, but also very rewarding for those who have the skills, knowledge, and intuition to make smart decisions. Whether it's investing in stocks, bonds, commodities, currencies, real estate, or startups, there is always an opportunity to make money if you know what you're doing. And if you can manage other people's money well and charge them a fee for your services, you can also become a billionaire. Number 3. Healthcare. The third industry that makes billionaires is healthcare. This industry covers everything from pharmaceuticals to biotechnology to medical devices to health services. Healthcare is all about improving the health and well-being of people and animals. And if you can create a product or service that saves lives, cures diseases, or enhances health, you can make a lot of money. The healthcare industry is highly scientific and innovative, but also very regulated and ethical. You have to deal with issues such as research and development, clinical trials, safety and efficacy, approval and licensing, and pricing and access. But if you can create a product or service that improves the quality or quantity of life for people or animals, you can make a lot of money. And if you can create a breakthrough that changes the course of medicine or history, you can become a billionaire too. Number 4. Food and beverage. The fourth industry that makes billionaires is food and beverage. This industry includes everything from farming, processing, distribution, restaurants, bars, to supermarkets. Food and beverage is about providing and satisfying one of the most basic and universal human needs: hunger and thirst. And if you can create a product or service that satisfies people's appetites and fills their stomachs, you can make a lot of money. The food and beverage industry is highly diverse and resilient, as it caters to different cultures, preferences, and occasions. Whether it's beer, chocolate, candy, energy drinks, or e-commerce, there is always a demand for products that make people happy and satisfied. And if you can create a quality product that has a loyal fan base and a wide distribution network, you can become a billionaire. Number 5. fashion, and retail. The fifth industry that makes billionaires is fashion and retail. This industry covers everything from clothing to accessories to cosmetics to jewelry to footwear to online shopping. Fashion and retail are all about creating and selling products that appeal to consumers' tastes and preferences. And if you can create a brand that resonates with millions or billions of people around the world, you can make a fortune. The fashion and retail industry is constantly changing and adapting to the trends and demands of the market. Whether it's luxury or fast fashion, online or offline, niche or mass market, there is always a demand for products that make people look and feel good. And if you can create a loyal customer base and a strong distribution network, you can become a billionaire. Number 6. Media and entertainment. The sixth industry that makes billionaires is media and entertainment. This industry covers everything from television to movies to music to books to games to social media. Media and entertainment are all about creating and distributing content that informs, educates, entertains, or influences people. And if you can create content that attracts and engages millions or billions of people, you can make a lot of money. The media and entertainment industry is highly creative and diverse, but also very competitive and challenging. You have to deal with issues such as intellectual property, piracy, censorship, and changing consumer preferences. But if you can create content that is original, compelling, or viral, you can make a lot of money. And if you can create a franchise that spans multiple platforms and genres, you can become a billionaire too. Number 7. Real estate. The seventh industry that makes billionaires is real estate. This industry covers everything from residential to commercial to industrial to agricultural properties. Real estate is all about buying, selling, developing, and managing land and buildings. And if you can find or create value in real estate assets, you can make a lot of money. The real estate industry is highly cyclical and dependent on factors such as location, demand, supply, interest rates, and regulations, but it is also one of the most tangible and durable forms of wealth creation. Whether it's buying low and selling high, developing new projects, or collecting rents or dividends from properties, there is always a way to make money in real estate. And if you can scale up your portfolio and leverage your capital wisely, you can become a billionaire too. Number 8. Manufacturing. The eighth and final industry that makes billionaires is manufacturing. This industry covers everything from automobiles, to aerospace, to chemicals, to electronics, to machinery, to textiles. Manufacturing is all about producing goods from raw materials or components using machines or labor. And if you can produce goods that are high quality, low cost, or innovative, you can make a lot of money. The manufacturing industry is highly complex and diverse, but also very competitive and demanding. You have to deal with issues such as production costs, quality control, innovation, distribution, and environmental impact. But if you can produce goods that meet or exceed the expectations of customers and markets, you can make a lot of money. And if you can create a brand that is recognized and respected globally, you can become a billionaire too. So, those are the 8 industries that make billionaires. Of course, these are not the only industries that can make you rich. There are many other industries that have made billionaires, but these 8 industries are the most common and most profitable. Now, I'm not saying that you should quit your job or drop out of school and start a business in one of these industries. That would be foolish and irresponsible. Becoming a billionaire is not easy. It takes a lot of hard work, dedication, passion, vision, luck, and risk. And it's not for everyone. Some people are happy and fulfilled with less money and more time, freedom, or happiness. But if you are ambitious and curious about what it takes to become a billionaire, then I hope this video has given you some insights and inspiration. Maybe you have a talent or an idea that can make a difference in one of these industries. Maybe you have a passion or a purpose that can drive you to achieve greatness in one of these industries. Maybe you have a dream or a goal that can motivate you to pursue excellence in one of these industries. But what I am saying is that you should be aware of the opportunities and trends that exist in these industries. You should be curious and open-minded about learning new things and exploring new possibilities. You should be willing to take calculated risks and face challenges. And you should be persistent and adaptable in pursuing your goals and dreams. Whatever it is, I encourage you to follow your heart and your intuition. Don't let anyone tell you what you can or cannot do. Don't let anyone stop you from pursuing your potential. Don't let anyone limit your possibilities. You have the power to create your own destiny. You have the power to make your own fortune. You have the power to become a billionaire. Because who knows, maybe one day, you will be one of the billionaires that I will talk about in my next video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the notification bell. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.